Yo, man, what up with y'all, man? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy, 84 Cuddy. Yes, sir, man, aka Built on the Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure you go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells. Yes, sir, man. Hey, I hope everybody doing good today, man. Hope everybody doing good today. Yes, sir, man. Hey, man, hit that like button now. I'm trying to tell y'all, hit that like button. Because guess what? Look who I got with me. Come on, man. Boy,
Hey, y'all. Hey, Cuddy.
So y'all hit that like button.
Hey, I see y'all in a long time, boy. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button. Hey, and let me get $2 too. Cause I see y'all in a long time.
Hey, man, bump all that, man. Hey, you can help me do some work today.
Boy, it just depends on where you going.
I mean, it depends on what
I ain't
I
even
got.
dressed to do no work, boy.
Come on, man.
All
Help
them
me,
things
man.
on dogs always barking every time I come around here. Golly.
Man, I don't know, man. They probably know Uncle Cuddy in the vicinity.
But I don't even know if a single gonna even
Probably they
be.
ain't gonna know you like that.
But I don't be stealing nothing.
Huh? Come on, man. You gonna help me?
Boy, I already tell you, boy, I don't know, boy. I ain't even dressed to do no work.
Hey,
Gosh.
man.
Yeah, y'all. Hey,
I'm about to holler at him.
hey, we'll cut
See
y'all
if
back.
he gonna help me, because he probably ain't gonna help me. And I'm cut y'all back on. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Alright? Let's get it. Matter of
Stop
fact,
playing with them people, boy.
forget to hit that like button. Y'all thought I was going. Hit that
better
like
have me a
button.
drink.
Let's get it. Yes, sir. We back. Hey, I tell y'all, boy, Uncle ain't been gonna do no work. That joker sitting in the shed with his leg crossed, drinking a cool one. Out the brown paper bag, son. I should put the camera on him. Look how you look over there.
Boy, shut up, boy. Look how you look.
Alright. I should put the camera on you. But I ain't gonna do that. You ain't gonna get me doggone messed up on my channel. Make your own channel. Hey y'all, but check this out, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see that mess in the front of y'all? That's what we here for. Yes, sir. Some LS swap wiring. Yes, sir. How y'all wiring up y'all LS swaps? How y'all powering up y'all? Y'all using the standalone? Y'all using the stock? Y'all using these big name companies to power it up? What you using, the Amazon harness, eBay harness? How y'all powering up? Drop down in the comments how y'all powering up y'all LS swaps. Well, me, for those who's new, I power mine up using the stock fuse box, the stock computer, and the stock wiring harness. As you see here, I already ripped it off. I ripped it back. But there's the loom, and here's all the wiring. Everything's still hooked up. I just disconnected the connectors out of the fuse box. You know what I mean? That's all I did. Of course, unhook the battery and all of that too. But yeah, that's all I did because. Hold up, y'all. Let me get a drink. Mr. Bill, tell you, better get you some Seagrams. Seem like Canada Dry ain't listening to you. Huh? Get you some Seagrams. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, let me tell y'all my plan while we right here, man. Let me tell y'all my plan. So, if you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel. My plan is just to clean up my engine bay, man. That's it. I want to clean it up a little bit. I want to, let me show y'all. Hold up. So, what I really want to do is I want to take this right here, take this bulk of wire, right, and move it around over the brake booster and bring it back over here. That way it'll clear up some of this space right here instead of this big bulk of wire just coming down right here. You know what I mean? But what I really want to do is, I was thinking, but like I tell y'all, do your research, which I'm doing, still researching. I want to see if I can make my own fuse box and power it up. You know what I mean? That way it'll eliminate all of this. You know what I mean? But how I want to do it, I want to see if I can do it using these connectors, because, you know what I mean? See, all the wires already in there. So if you think about it, if you take, so follow me now, follow me, and make sure y'all can see. All right, so you see this right here connects into this, right? Boom, that's on the bottom side. What you see on the top? Fuses. Well, I didn't mean to point at that and say fuse, but relays and fuses, right? So all you basically have to do is, boom, put that in right there like that, right? And then what you would probably do is, let me show y'all, put that right there, remove some of this stuff. Hey, as I'm shooting this video, I'm actually thinking, cause I was really about to cut the video and come up with another plan. But so what I was saying was, you would flip it over, and then all you have to really do is just follow, you know what I mean, the diagram for your fuses. It'll let you know what power what, you know what I mean. So for example, let's find our fuel pump relay. All right, so we see our fuel pump relay is right here, right? You see our fuel pump relay is right here. On our fuse box, with our fuse panel, I got it upside down, y'all, hold up. Lay that down. So looking at this, our fuel pump, y'all can see it? Hope y'all can see it. So you have this relay, then you have a fuse in the middle. This right here will be your fuel pump relay. All right. So I'm gonna put that just like this right here. All right. I'm gonna flip it over. So remember, we still got our connections. All you have to do is have power to the connector, which the fuel pump wire run into. It'll be on the relay. So basically I would do this right here. Basically, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I plan on doing. Alright. So say this right here is gonna be my new fuse box. I take a relay and I put it in here just like that right there. You know what I mean? Just like that right there. So that right there can be my fuel pump relay. You know what I mean? And then just keep going. So like for the other box, like say if I need it for the parts for the coils and the injectors and stuff like that, right? You know, those are on fuses. Those are on fuses. So if I run out of space on this block, I just use this block right here, the white block, for the coils and stuff like that. I don't know, man. I just want to clean this up. That's basically what I really want to do. I want to clean it up. I can, if I want to, I could buy a standalone harness. I did it before, but I sent it back because I bought it off eBay actually, and but when I got it, the wire was chewed up, so I wasn't gonna try to use that. So that's really what made me go this route. Now, there's nothing wrong with going this route. Y'all see, there's nothing wrong with going this route. Y'all see it, drive, run, everything like that. I done took, what, 2 trips already? I took 1 3.5 hour trip and 1 3-hour trip. Yeah. There and back. So that really was dang on 6. It was 12 in total, 13 hours in total. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all see it going back and forth. Yeah, man. So y'all know this right here work. It's just that I want to clean this up. I want to make this right here come over here, come back over here. But at the end, I want to make this right here, all this right here, smaller into one fuse box, powering up everything. That way, all this right here is gone. You know what I mean? And then I can come back and I can touch up. Hey, Perch, I could touch up that 10,000, not say 10,000, $10 million gold paint. Yes, sir. That's what I want to do. I want to hit that. I'm gonna give me a new alternator. Cause see, I done spray paint the coil in it. I don't know, but then I don't know if it's stopping anything. But yeah, man, I want to touch up everything under here, man. It's about that time to, you know what I mean, kind of do upgrades. Touch the paint up, clean up under here, touch the paint up. You know what I mean? Cause like when I first did it, man, I just wanted to get it in, see if it worked, and if it worked, let's ride. That was it. Yes, sir. Hey, man, let me turn y'all around and talk to me. Hey, like I said, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all support, man. This is just a little short video, man, I want to do, man. Shoot, and got doggone, oh, hey, Onk stopped by, so I had to put him on the camera. Yes, sir. I know by the time, never mind. He probably already feeling good. But yeah, man, like I said, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all support, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. Turn on all post notification bells. Yes, sir, man. Hey, to the next one. Stay locked. We out.